How to log in to your KuCoin account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your KuCoin account. To log into your KuCoin account, first of all, you need to ensure you have already created an account on KuCoin. If you have already done that, then open your KuCoin application on your mobile device, and once the application opens, here you will be able to reach to this page. In this page at the top left, you will be able to see the icon. Tap on this icon, and from this menu, here you will be able to see login at the very top. Tap on this login. You will be presented with the login interface. Here in this field, you will need to enter your email address or the phone number in the first text box, and in the second text box, here you will need to enter your password. Tap on this box and enter your correct password here. After entering your password, you may also tap on the I button at the right side to reveal your password and check if you have entered it correctly or not. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also click on this Forgot Password link just below the password box, and then you will need to follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset or recover your password. After entering all the credentials correctly, now you will need to tap on the login button right here. After this process, now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for this code, and once you receive, you will need to enter it in this box. If in case you don't receive the email within the time period given at the bottom, then you will need to tap on this Didn't Receive an Email option at the left side. Once you enter the code here, now it will start verifying the code, and once it successfully verifies, now you can access your KuCoin account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.